everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Kathy Jarvis and you're at Country Girl. And today I'm actually going to finally get around to replacing the round strawberry bed. Now I've been working on it for the last couple of days and I've got to the point where I'm almost ready to put the new bed down. First thing I had to do was weed whip all the weeds that were around it, and then I had to weed the strawberries themselves. There were about 12 strawberries left in this one that came back, and that's all. So I transplanted them in with the other strawberries. Now the second round bed, most of those came back, so I may not bother with it this year. I haven't decided yet because they're already starting to bloom. But this one we're definitely changing out. So first thing we gotta do is pull up this pyramid and get rid of it. Like I said, these things have sunk down into the ground quite a bit. But you're paying all that money and this is what you're getting. Just aluminum siding like that doesn't even stay where it's supposed to stay. So I would not recommend you can see how much it sunk down into the ground. And the lawnmowers tear them up something awful. Okay. Now I want all my beds to be uniformed space. So what I'm doing now is taking the tape measure and measuring the 56 inches, and this will be where the edge of the new bed will go. This is what the new bed looks like when it comes out of the package. It's got paper in between it and it's got instructions. So it's just a matter of putting it together and taking it over there. Okay, the first thing you need to do is lay out all your pieces. You'll have 4 long pieces and 2 short pieces. And actually, on mine, they're all the same size, so you have to watch the hose. Your long pieces will have 2 sets of rows here and a row here. Your short pieces just have 1 row on each side. When you're putting them together, make sure you have your seam always going on the inside on all of them so they're all the same. And the next thing you're going to do is just attaching them together, following your instructions. Take a bolt and a nut, and you do so the nut is on the inside. Put one in the corner, and then you go down to this over on this side. place one here. So that's the way it ends up looking for the second step. First step was to check, make sure you have everything. Second step is do this on the long boards and repeat it on the other one. So I'll get that done and I'll be right back. Okay, the next step is to put the corners on. What you do, you put them on the outside of the bed. Attach the 2 middle hose first with your nut and your bolt. Remember, you want all your bolt ends, the nuts, to be on the inside of the bed. Next thing you do is take the corner brace, put it over the top, line up the hose, and use a nut and bolt to secure that on. This is the top of your bed. At the bottom of the bed, you have this support anchor. It goes on the inside of your bed, and you attach it the same way. Line up the hose, pop this bolt in, and do the anchor. Crazy boat. Yay! Okay, you do this to all 4 corners of your long bed. Okay, we've got the strawberry bed done. The strawberries came and I've got them planted. I'm using the Square Garden square foot garden method, and there's approximately 4 of them to a foot. And then I covered the whole thing with bird netting to keep the cats out of the bed and to keep the birds from getting the strawberries and from tearing up the plants since they're newly established. As you can tell, we live on a slopey area, so we leveled the bed so it's nice and even. And we still have to decide what we're going to do about that one yet. We may get it done this year. It may have to wait until after. But that's what we've been up to. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything. And give me some comments below on if you're growing strawberries and how they're doing. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And here comes one of the little cats, checking it out to see if he can get in. All right. Remember, dream big, follow that dream. Bye, everybody.